Thanks for watching. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified of each new video as it comes out. Okay, so I'm JJ, this is Xander,
hello.
And this is Reality Survival.
Quarantine haircut.
And quarantine pajama pants.
Right there.
And so right now what we're going to do is we're just going to do a little taste test for some, what are these things called here? Survival food tablets. And then we got these from prep-right.com. And they sent this out, and they also sent some aqua tabs out. We're going to do another video on the aqua tabs later on. But they've got all kinds of survival stuff over there. And so they sent us some of these survival tablets, and we thought we would do a taste test and then talk a little bit about, like, do they have a place? What is their place within survival and preparedness and that kind of thing. So we've got 4 flavors. We've got chocolate, strawberry, butterscotch, and vanilla.
We have another video on this too, right?
It was a different kind, I think. Yeah.
Oh,
that was a different kind.
There's another video on different ones a while back.
Yeah. And so this container has 180 chewable tablets. These are 10-year shelf life. And essentially what they say is that the serving size is 12 tablets. That'll give you 240 calories. 108 of that is from fat. And you get, let's see here, carbohydrates is 30 grams, total fat is 12 grams, and protein is 4 grams. And then you get a bunch of vitamins and minerals in there as well. They say 100% of the essential vitamins and minerals. No gluten, non-GMO. And it says delicious flavor. So we're gonna find out. Okay, so this is chocolate. We're gonna go chocolate first. And here's you one, I'll take one. Let's chocolate out and see.
Already tastes good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Not bad. How would you describe it to these guys?
It's like almost think of like a rock.
Like eating a rock?
No, like a rock that's like falling apart, and it's like that's flavorful.
So
it's not super crunchy though.
I'm not sure if that's the greatest description. It's not like eating a rock, really. It is. It's hard. What I kind of picture it as like a Whopper.
Yeah.
Or a malt ball. It's kind of like eating one of those. You want some water?
Yeah.
What happened?
I think it went down the wrong way.
Oh, okay. All right. So it's kind of like a Whopper or a mothball, but with no chocolate on it. You can taste the chocolate flavor, but it's not.
Yeah.
It's not like it's coated. Okay, so this one is the strawberry. Okay, so this is strawberry flavor.
You can tell it tastes different.
You know what it tastes like? It's strawberry quick.
I've never had that.
You know the strawberry drink mix that you put in with your milk? That's exactly the flavor.
I think it's strawberry ice cream.
It's kind of like that, but it is exactly like the flavor of. Why do you keep coughing?
I don't know. I just want wrong type.
Drink some more water. It tastes like strawberry quick. That's exactly what it tastes like. That's interesting.
I think it tastes like strawberry
Same
ice
kind
cream.
of chalky texture or whatever. Okay, so this is butterscotch. There we go. Not too bad though, huh? Which one's your favorite so far?
Strawberry.
Strawberry so far? All right, this is butterscotch. Let's see. What are you doing? You got the coronavirus or what?
I hope not. I haven't been out of the house in a while, so.
Butterscotch is real mild. Not as strong as the other two.
It's almost kind of plain.
Yeah, you can taste the butterscotch part, but it definitely isn't as like pronounced on the flavoring. All right. Here you go. This is strawberry, or no, this is vanilla.
Vanilla.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm good.
Okay. All right, vanilla.
Like I wouldn't say it's pronounced, but a little bit more than the butterscotch.
See, I was gonna say less. I taste that one less, but I mean, whatever. Everybody's taste buds are different.
They all
probably.
taste good.
So you think strawberry is your favorite?
Yeah.
I think chocolate's my favorite. The strawberry was good though. So 250 calories for 12. So I'm just gonna pull out. Well, I don't know if I can. I'm just gonna pull out 12 of them to show you kind of how big that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
That was almost perfect.
12. So
It's pretty decent.
yeah, so here is 12. My hands are a little bit dirty. Been working on cars earlier. So that's what 12 tablets looks like. And that's 250 calories. So that's kind of cool. The way that I see these things, or the place that I see these things being useful, is I don't see it as a primary food source, right? I see it as being like a food source for a get-home bag.
Like almost like a snack.
Yeah, exactly. Like I was gonna say, like as a get-home bag, if you wanted to, if you were really concerned about going lightweight, these things are super light, and they're pretty calorie dense, and they're shelf stable. They're for 10 years. So you could put them in like a get-home bag or whatever, and put like, you know, maybe 40 or 50 of them in there. And here's some other little packages that they have that have 24. They've got 24 in this little pack, and it's just a little, you know, thin little pack. You could put something like this in like a get-home bag or whatever, and it would be easy access. You can eat on the go. It doesn't require a bunch of water. I mean, unless you're coughing like this guy.
Oh, yeah. It's pretty easy to get down though.
Yeah, it's easy. And then, you know, you could kind of eat it on the go and move, and it's real lightweight. That's where I'd see that's the place that I see it fitting in the best if you wanted to do it. And then the other way is just to have, like, you know, some of the bigger containers like this, and throw it in with your long-term food storage, just like what Xander said, as a snack. You know, as like a little bit of a dessert or something, because, you know, a lot of long-term food storage is kind of hard to come up with good desserts and stuff like that. And so this would be just like a cool little treat, you know, for the kids and even for yourself or whatever, because it is kind of sweet, and, you know, and it's flavorful and that kind of stuff, especially if you've been eating rice and beans and all that kind of jazz. So I think that's the best place to where I see them kind of fitting in. You know, I wouldn't have cases and cases of this stuff to eat as a primary food source. But
even like this much, like especially if you're just eating it every once in a while, it's probably gonna last you 10 years. Like,
oh, it's gonna last a while. I mean,
yeah, well, maybe not 10 years, but it's gonna last a pretty long time.
Yeah, I mean, a big bottle of this is, you know, if you were even just snacking on it, it's gonna last a while. It's 180 tablets, so so that's kind of where I see it fitting in. You know, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Check it out at prep-right.com, and you know, give them a look and take a look at the other items that they have over there and see if it's anything for you. Like I said, they've also got these aqua tabs. I'm going to do another video later on just showing kind of how to use aqua tabs and all that kind of stuff. I've told you guys in the past that I think these are also very good for get-home bags because they're super light. They do kill viruses and that kind of thing, and, you know, bacteria and whatnot. And so this is a real quick and easy way for water purification. So that is pretty much that. I think chocolate and strawberry win the flavors, and vanilla and butterscotch,
Pretty good.
pretty good.
Not as good as the other two though.
Yeah, they don't have as much flavor. So
Also, you know, since like this whole, you know, pandemic is going on, you can always just have it as your quarantine apocalypse snack while watching Netflix. You know?
Yeah, popping them in while you're watching Netflix. Yeah. So anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. We definitely appreciate it. And as always, don't forget to live the 6 Ps.
Proper prior preparation prevents poor performance.
All right. Take care, guys.
Can I have a few more?
Sure.
This is super good.